Hi guys, I'm Anne from Two Little Girls Hairstyles and I'm with my littlest girl here who has just got out of the shower. We're about to dry her hair and I thought we would do a tutorial to show you how we dry her hair, but also what we've used to wash it, because we have a lot of people ask us, don't we? What do I use? What products do I use in your hair? How do I get your hair looking so lovely? And honestly, it's really quite simple. We don't do a lot of stuff to her hair. I leave it quite product free. She's just washed her own hair, which is nice because she's 8. She can have her own shower and wash her hair. Amazing. Oh, so it's amazing when they can start washing their own hair. Anyway, here is what she's just used. So it's just Head and Shoulders. We use 2-in-1 because
it's just easier.
It's just easier, and we've got time to do other things then, haven't we? If we were going to use shampoo and conditioner, well, that makes it take twice as long. And then her hair is very long as well, as you'll see. It takes quite a long time to dry her hair because it's so thick. We wash her hair once a week at the weekend, and I think that's it. We just wash it with Head and Shoulders. When she's out of the shower, I don't know if you've seen these before, but this is just like a hair turban. These are really great because they don't like their hair dripping down their back. So I put it up in there and it catches quite a lot of the drips. It soaks up quite a lot of the hair. So this is just a hair turban. So I've put her hair in that. She gets herself dry, and then we put her hair in one of those towels. Stops the hair dripping. She can't do that herself yet. Let me know if your little girls can do it themselves. That would be amazing if they could. But she can't, she's not quite there yet, so I have to kind of lurk around upstairs ready for her to call me, and I come and put the hair towel on for her. So there's just like a little button at the front. Just undo it. So this is just out of the shower. Let's hang that up there. So this is just how it's come out. Just turn around, pop it, good girl. So here is her hair. It's all a bit wet from the shower. Now, just to stop it from getting her too wet on her back, what I use is I just put a towel around the back of her neck, and then she holds on to it. There we go. Good girl. Thank you, Puppet. So, got her hair nicely covered now, so she doesn't get her hair, the pyjamas don't get
it
too...
makes you warm.
Keeps you cosy warm. Now, this is what I use. This stuff is amazing. So, now this, I'm not sure who this argan oil is by. It just says Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. But I think you can get several different types of argan oil from different companies. But argan oil is amazing. It's really, really good at just conditioning the hair. And I put this on her hair before I dry it. It says a precious formula with argan oil of Morocco rapidly helps to penetrate the hair shaft, restoring shine and softness while strengthening. Discover soft, seductive, silky perfection. And that is what she has. She does have really silky hair. So whether it's down to this or just naturally lucky, who knows? But we use it anyway. Now, when I'm doing this, I'm just going to put on a small amount on the palm of my hand. So can you see how much I've got there? It's only a small, not a lot. Roll it in between my hands like this so I'm all shiny. Maybe just turn around again. Now I'm just going to keep this on the ends of her hair, just down here, because the top of her hair is going to get its own natural oils. And also, if I put it too close to the top, we're just going to make her hair look greasy and it's not going to look great. So I'm just going to put it at the bottom of her hair, like that. Just putting it through with my fingers. And then, use that towel to stop me being so shiny. This, just got a paddle brush here. I love a paddle brush. So we'll comb it through. Here we go, bottom forwards, pop it. Good girl, thank you. Hold the towel over your shoulders, hold it together. That's it. So, can you see how lovely it is to brush her hair? I've only just got her hair straight from the shower, and her hair just brushes. She has got lovely hair, it's nice and thick. So I'm just going to brush that through, removing any tangles. So that is all I do to prepare the hair. It's a little bit drippy. I'm just going to get this hair towel, this turban back again, and just try and get any more water out. There we go. So what I'm going to do, because our hair is so thick, I'm going to use one of these clips to just take up half of the hair. So if we just take... Get that up out of the way like that. And then I'm just going to work my way through this hair with the hairdryer. Okay, so now I've dried the bottom half of her hair, I'm going to do the top half. When I do the top half, I part it in half again, so I'm not having the wet hair going over the dry hair, and I dry them to the side like this. Just comb that through. And now let's start drying the top part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part her hair. That's it, well done. And then I'm going to just dry these little fly bits. I'm just going to dry them over so they dry, so they just sit that way. I hope you can see in the video just how lovely and soft her hair is. She is really good at sitting still and letting me dry her hair. There we go. So we only wash her hair once a week. That's all it needs. It doesn't get greasy. She's still young. Wash it once a week just to keep it clean. Okay. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you found it useful, and you've now found out how we dry her hair, what products we use. We don't use very much, like we said, just 2-in-1 Head and Shoulders shampoo, and then the argan oil. And then I section it off to dry the bottom of her hair and then do the top part. And that's all that we do. And then during the week, we use water spray and then maybe a little bit of gel spray or some hairspray, but not really very often unless it's dancing or something where it needs to last for a while. Mainly it's just a little bit of a water spray just to catch all those little baby hairs. So yeah, I've now got another hair to dry. So I wonder how old they'll be when they can dry their own hair. I don't know, maybe comment below. Maybe I should be getting her to dry her own hair now. Maybe I should be getting her to have her own hair dry in her bedroom. That might save me some jobs. That'd be good, wouldn't it? So please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell, and then you'll see some more tutorials coming very, very soon. So like I said, I hope this was helpful. Just what we do at bedtime, they all come sit on my bed and take it in turns having their hair dry while they watch the television. So nice.
Yay!
Okay, till next time then. Bye.